everyone. Today I am here with the rest of the solution of exercise 2 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable of NCERT revised syllabus, this one of class 8. Okay, so let's start. So our third question is, in my last video I stopped on second question. Now I'm going to start with the third question, and the third question is x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. So the first thing that I told you in my last video is also that we have to bring the like terms together. Like terms here are with the variable x, here minus 8x upon 3, here minus 5x upon 2. So I'm going to bring all the like terms together. So it is minus 5x upon 2, it will come here and it will become plus 5x upon 2 is equal to, and the constant terms I am going to keep it at one side. That is, I am going to bring this plus 7 to the right hand side and it will become minus 7. Now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM, and you know why we are taking the LCM? Because we need to make this unlike denominators same. So 1, 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 1, 3 and 2? It is 6. Okay. So now in one's table 6 comes 6 times. So and this 6 will be multiplied in the numerator. So it will become 6 into x, that is 6x minus 3. In 3's table 6 comes 2 times. So that 2 will be multiplied in the numerator and it will become 8 2's 16x. Plus in 2's table 6 comes 3 times. So that 3 will be multiplied in the numerator and it will become 5 3's 15x is equal to, in the same case here also, the unlike denominators we need to make it equal. Those LCM of 6 and 1 will be 6 only in 6 table. 6 comes once, so we are going to multiply the 1 here in the numerator and 17 ones are 17 minus in 1's table 6 comes 6 times, so we are going to multiply that 6 into the numerator, that is 7 into 6. Now upon 6, all the like terms we can add or subtract the like terms. So 6x minus 16x will be minus 10x. You know now, plus minus is minus and the sign will be of the bigger number. The bigger number is 16 and here it is minus. The negative sign we have to put here. Plus 15x is equal to 6, 17 minus 42. 10x plus 15x will be 5x upon 6. Because minus and plus is your minus, but the sign will be of the bigger number. Okay, is equal to 17 minus 42 is your minus 25. Why? Because positive, negative. Okay, one integer is positive and another is negative, and plus minus is minus, but the sign will be of bigger number. So bigger number is 42 and it is minus sign is here, and this 6 ones are 6. This 6 will get cancelled in the denominator. Now 5 is multiplied with x. Okay, so it will come this side and this will be 5 ones are 5. 5 into 5, 25. So the value of x, the variable's value is minus 5. Now we will proceed to the next question, and the next question is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. First, in order to solve this equation, we need to simplify it. So how will we simplify it? So we are going to cross multiply the denominators. Okay, 5 we are going to multiply this side and 3 will be multiplied cross multiplication. Okay, this is called cross multiplication. 5 will be multiplied here and 3 will be multiplied with this numerator of the right hand side. Okay, so 5 x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 3. Now what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 5 with x as well as with 5. Okay, so it means 5 and the other things are in the bracket. It means 5 will be multiplied with both the terms. Okay, so it is 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 5 is your 25 is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9. So next step, you very well know that we have to bring the like terms at one side. So 5x plus 3x will become minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus this minus 25 will become plus 25. Okay, now 5x minus 3x will be 2x is equal to, so 25 minus 9 is your plus 16. Why plus 16? Because here the bigger number is 25 and it is positive. Okay, now 2 is multiplied here with x, so when it will be side transpose, then the side transfer will be there and then 2 will be here, it is multiplied, so when it will go to this side, it will be divided with 16 and 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are 16, x is equal to 8. Hope children you are getting my explanation. Okay, so now next question is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus, in bracket is 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. Here the variable is t and we have to find the value of t here. Okay, so first we are going to simplify the terms here. Okay, here 3t minus 2, here it is 4 and here upon 4 means this 4 is the denominator of 3t also and of 2 also. So we can write like this also. Now minus, when the bracket will open on the side, plus minus will become minus, so it will become upon 3. Now minus plus minus, so this will be 3 upon 3. I told you 3 is the denominator of this also and this term also. Okay, is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. Now what we are going to do? We are going to bring all the like terms together, so it will be 3t upon 4 minus 2t upon 3. Okay, and this minus t here, it will come here and this will become plus t is equal to, now we will bring 2 upon 3. Minus 3 upon 3 is 1, but I am not cancelling it because it will be easy for us to do the calculation here. So 3 minus 3 upon 3 will become plus 3 upon 3 and this minus 2 upon 4 will become plus 2 upon 4. Okay. Okay, now you can cancel 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Again, unlike denominators, we have to make them simple by taking the LCM. Okay. Now 4, 3 and 1's LCM is 12. 4's table, 12 comes 3 times. So 3 will be multiplied in the numerator. 3 3's are 90 minus, in 3's table 12 comes 4 times. So 4 will be multiplied with the numerator. So it will become 4 2's are 80 plus. In 1's table 12 comes 12 times. Okay. So 12 will be multiplied with the numerator t here. So it will become 12t. Okay. Now again here also 3 2's LCM is 6. So it will be 6. Okay, and in 3's table 6 comes 2 times and 2 will be multiplied here. 2 2's are 4 plus, in 3's table again 6 comes twice, it will be multiplied here. 3 2's are 6 plus, in 2's times 6 comes 3 times. So 3 will be multiplied in the numerator and will be 3. Okay, now 90 minus 80 will be t plus 12t upon 12, okay, is equal to 6 plus 4, 10 and 10 plus 3, 13 upon 6. Okay, Now 12t plus t is your 13t, and 13t upon 12 is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay, now I told you that 13 is multiplied here, so it will, when side transfers will be there, it will go to the denominator, and 12 is divided here, so it will be multiplied with 13 here. So again, or you can say that simply cross multiplication will do. So it will be 13 into 12 upon 13 into 6. Okay, 13 ones are 13 and 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So what is the value of the variable t here? It is 2. Okay, so children, I hope you got the explanation. Okay, the sixth question is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus in bracket m minus 2 upon 3. Okay, here only first we are going to simplify. Okay, so 1 and 2's LCM is 2. So in one's table 2 comes twice, so 2 will be multiplied in the numerator and it will become 2m. Okay, minus, when the bracket will open, the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus, minus minus plus. So this will be minus I, and minus minus plus, so this will become plus 1 is equal to, here also we will take the LCM, 3. Okay, in one's table 3 comes 3 times, so 3 will be multiplied in the numerator minus, when we will open the bracket, so minus plus minus minus, it will become minus n, and minus minus will become plus 2. Okay, now 2m minus m is plus m, plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is your, because these are the constant terms, so you can add them. So 3 plus 2 is your 5, 5 minus m upon 3. Okay, now we can simplify it by cross multiplication. 3 will be multiplied here. 3m plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied 5 minus n. Okay, now 3 into m will be 3m plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 5 twos are 10 minus 2 multiplied by m is minus 2m. Now what we are going to do? We are going to side transfer minus 2m, because this is the like terms, 3m and all the like terms will be at one side. So 3m minus 2m will become plus 2m is equal to 10. Here plus 3 will be minus 3. Now 3m plus 2m is your 5m is equal to 10 minus 3 is your 7. Okay. Now 5 is multiplied here this side, then it will be transferred. So 5 will be here in the denominator, that is 7 upon 5. So this was the last, this is the sixth question that I explained just now, and I hope kids you are getting my explanation, and if you are really liking the videos of mine, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.